Let's get started. Select the picture you want to make dual lightning effect, and import into Photoshop. Now click on the new adjustment layer, and select gradient. Double-click on the gradient layer, and go to Gradient Editor. Select the color whichever you want. I am going for pink color. Now after selecting the color, delete the color stop slider. Now select the color slider again, and click OK. Now change the angle into 180 degree. Now go to Gradient Editor, and adjust the sliders according to your needs. I am just making the color to cover half side of the object. After customizing the slider, now change the normal layer as color. Boom! There we go. Now create a duplicate gradient layer by pressing Ctrl+J. Go to Gradient Editor of that layer too, and change to some other color. Now change the angle as 0. Now adjust the color by using those sliders. That's it, we have done. So if you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe our channel. Don't forget to comment below the tutorials you needed. Peace.